Why'd you attack us? Where's Amy?
Back off! You're more annoying than usual. None of this is making sense. This thing I remember, I was talking to... Lyric.
Lyric! I knew this stinker was in cahoots with the rotten reptile.
I don't work for anyone. What is this?
This thing's scrapped now, but it's clearly some advanced tech. Like a mini neural bypass switch. A mind control device.
Methods cost me a valuable asset. Damaged my device.
Lyric. Where's Amy, you spineless freak?
Safe. For a moment. We're having the most delightful conversation.
Why don't you come here and face me?
I'm far too busy peeling back the layers of Amy's brain like a rotten onion. Once she leads me to the crystal fragments, I'll have the power of a god, and I'll grind you all under my heel.
You don't have a heel, you're a snake.
I'll hunt him down and make him pay for using me.